Hey y'all, Jamie Deen back in the kitchen today. I'm sharing a very simple idea with y'all. It's not even really a recipe. I got my nuts right here. You see I'm toasting some walnuts. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do is toast walnuts. We're doing compound butter today. So if you have some butter, say if you're doing fish or a chicken dish, most especially steak, if you want a little finishing butter for your steak, this is when you can pull a lot of interesting flavors together and just plop it on your steak after it's cooked. Today, I'm doing one for chicken. This is sage. So I've got a softened stick of butter and I have chopped sage that I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons to. And I've got a couple of tablespoons of these walnuts. Now, when I roast these, I'm just gonna put them in a hot pan, swirl them around. The heat really opens up the flavor and gives it a real texture and kind of depth of flavor rather than just a walnut out of the bag. So these are gonna go right onto our butter. You wanna make sure that you've got your butter nice and soft because you wanna incorporate this all the way through. Now, one of the first butters that I started playing with is when my brother and I were working on one of our very first cookbooks that we did together, and it was a blackberry compound butter. So we put blackberries into our butter, and exactly the same thing that we're gonna do here today. You mix your ingredients up, you find you a good piece of parchment paper. And we're gonna roll this up like so. Old-fashioned kind. And we're gonna put this in the freezer or the refrigerator. If you're not gonna use it for a while, go ahead and put it in your freezer. And when this hardens up and you unwrap this, you just cut off however much butter you'd like. So you get you a nice little pat of this flavored butter and you put it right on top of the protein that you're having with it. It's really good time of year with all the new spring things that are blooming up. Basil, there's rosemary right outside, rosemary butter right on top of a finished steak. Oh, it's so good. So get out in your yard, pick up some herbs, make yourself some compound butter, and the next time you eat it, you can think about me. And y'all butter subscribe to the YouTube channel, that's what it's called. Thanks for tuning in today, y'all. See you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.